Your vehicle is equipped with a vehicle information system that monitors a host of vehicle functions. The vehicle information display is located here. The vehicle information display can be changed using the dial and buttons on the steering wheel. Use the controls to navigate through the menu items. Some menus may vary based on the equipment installed on your vehicle. Push this button to operate the touchscreen with the steering wheel controls, or this button to operate the vehicle information display. If you push this button while it's orange, the shortcut menu will display. Within this menu, you can select from 3 different meter views. The Drive Computer menu allows you to view your average fuel consumption, average speed, trip odometer, and elapsed time. There are 3 modes of operation: Manual Reset 1, Manual Reset 2, or Auto Refuel. Use the scroll dial to switch between options or reset. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.